Hello, Dana Johnson here. I am excited. I heard the bell ring earlier today about 2 something, and I was like, I'm not going downstairs. And then I saw Onyx looking like, I hear a truck, Grandma, you know, the way he's looking. And then we heard the truck driver. I said, oh, UPS. I'm not expecting anything. What did Kendra order? I forgot that I had a special call from a beautiful woman, Miss Cynthia Rustin, who told me to pay attention. It's coming, it's coming. So she let me show you what came in the mail to me today. This baby right here. She is going to reduce my electric bill by 10 to 40%. And great time too, because it's getting a little warm in Columbia, South Carolina. Well, today was. Tomorrow is going to be a whole different story. But I get to save 10 to 40% on my electric bill just by plugging in this beautiful device. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at her, right? In Europe, you'll have a different plug, but you just plug it into your walls and it's going to stabilize your electricity and it's going to save you money. So the purchase of this device is so worth it. You get to save on your energy bill. You do not have to put up the solar panels on the roof. You know, it's quite costly and many of us couldn't afford it anyway, right? But this right here, you're going to get your money back within the first 2 to 3 months of using it. You're definitely going to make back your money from the amount of electricity that you're going to save. When we were in Vegas and we saw this demonstration, it actually went reduced about 50 to 55%. But what this thing, we under promise and over deliver. So 10 to 40% on your electric bill. It pays for itself. We had a lady who said her electric bill was $300 in the LA area. I remember when I was living in Connecticut, my electric bill was $600, $700, $800 a time, and my gas bill combined with it, I was paying $1,400, $1,500 on utilities alone. So I am super excited about this device, and you will love it. You can put it throughout your home. Maybe if you have a huge home, you might need 2 of these. If you're going to put it in warehouses and things like that, businesses to help them reduce and save them on their energy bill. And when you start charging your electric car, this is going to be phenomenal too, because it's going to reduce the cost that you're going to need for your home charging stations. And so if you decide that you're going to allow others to come and use your charging stations, you'll use the app and schedule them through the app. But with this baby right here, you're going to save on that electric bill, and getting people to come and charge from your charging station is also going to pay for the energy that you use anyway. So Yereq GL, that's the place to be. You want to be an owner, not just an owner of this gorgeous device. Look at her. Not just an owner of the device, but an owner of the company. For $99, you get to be blessed by the company. They're going to give you 10 shares. They're going to give you 1,000 commercials to advertise any business that you may have, plus Yereq, right? They're going to give you 1,000 Yereq tokens as well. For $9.97, you're going to get 2,000 shares. It makes sense to me. And you're going to get 20,000 tokens and 20,000 advertisements that you can use over a period of the whole year. And you don't have to just advertise Yereq. You can advertise your other businesses, anything that you want, as long as it's grandma friendly. Right? So I am super excited. She is here. She has arrived. And the quality of this and the technology is phenomenal. You cannot get this from Alibaba. You cannot get this from Amazon. Well, unless someone gets it in bulk and decide to sell it on Amazon, we can do that too here at Yereq. And you will be amazed at how much your electricity is reduced. So get yours. You're getting ready to turn the AC on. Those bills are going to start climbing and climbing. And then the cost of electricity is so much more. You want to have your electric power saver. You want to have your electric power saver plugged up in your home, and it's going to save. So Yereq Geo, go green with us. Go green with us, and you get paid to go green. You're going to get paid to charge your vehicles. And it's not a matter of, do you need this? Yes, you do. It's not a matter of, are you ever going to need a car charger? Yes, you do, because the incentive for businesses and persons through the tax credits, because it's a mandate by the government to help us to go green with our vehicles. So you are going to need to come and charge. And why not earn from it? Why be a consumer when you can be a producer? Get your device today. It's well worth it. Connect with me and I will tell you how.